Host. 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 Host.
Hello, good day everyone. Are you with me? That's joke only. That was my expression when I was teaching in mathematics way back in 1987. Then after my discussion, I would be asking to my students, "Are you with me?" And most of the answers they were said, "Yes, sir." So now for my viewers, are you with me? But anyway, that's joke only. But how are you, my previous students? Maayong Pasko ninyong tanan. Asa na mo ning kalibutan? Padong man ang Pasko. Naot nga you are happy in your success in life, especially of your professions. I believe that you are very successful because as I heard, some of you were already are already a successful chief engineer, successful chief captain, or a lawyer, a successful lawyer, a successful doctor of medicine, a successful teacher. So I'm happy for that. When I am computing since 1987 to now, I am almost 36 years in the field of teaching. But actually, I am no longer teaching of the subject. During your time, I am handling algebra, elementary algebra, intermediate algebra, advanced algebra, trigonometry, geometry, statistics, and other mathematics subjects. But now I am no longer teaching in the classroom. I'm still teaching, but not already in the classroom teaching. I'm already in the office. Now I am preparing another topic. This is to simplify fractions and a whole number. There are many methods. I am only preparing two methods here in my discussion. My example here, to simplify a squared plus 3a minus 4 over a squared minus 16 plus a whole number 5. This whole number 5 considered fraction, denominator is 1. So I am calling the first method as long method. But it depends upon your teacher. So how I simplify this fraction and a whole number 5. So we have here a squared plus 3a minus 4a over a squared minus 16 plus 5. So the lowest common denominator between a squared excuse me, minus 16 and 1 is a squared minus 16. So a squared minus 16 divided by a squared minus 16, that gives us 1 times the numerator, a squared plus 3a minus 4. Let's proceed to the next. A squared minus 16 divided by 1, that's a squared minus 16 times the numerator 5. So let's continue by distributive property. 1 times a squared, it gives a squared positive. 1 times positive 3a, you have positive 3a. Then 1 times negative 4, that's negative 4. Then we have here a squared times 5, we have positive 5a squared. Then negative 16 times 5, that's negative 80. All over a squared minus 16. Okay, so let's continue. A squared, the numerical coefficient is 1 plus 5, that becomes 6a squared. 3a, bring down, then negative 4 and negative 80, that is equals to negative 84 over a squared minus 16. So factor this quadratic trinomial, that is a times 6a, that gives 6a squared. then positive 4 times negative 21 for your negative 84. So these are correct factor. Why? Because let's try to check. 4 times 6, that's 24. Positive. Negative 21 times a, that's negative 21a. 24 minus 21, that's 3a. Bring down the denominator in the form of factoring. So a times a, that's a squared. Positive 4 times negative 4, that's for your negative 16. So you can see there the cancellation because a plus 4 over a plus 4, that's 1. So the remaining is 6a minus 21 over a minus 4, which is the simplified form of your a squared plus 3a minus 4 over a squared minus 16 plus 5. So let's proceed to the second method, which I call this a short method. So we have a squared plus 3a minus 4 over a squared minus 16 plus 5. So factor the numerator. We have here a times a and then positive 4 times negative 1 so that you can get the middle, which is 3a. Over the denominator factor, a times a for a squared, then positive 4 times negative 4 for 16 plus 5. So you can say there, cancellation. So the remaining is a minus 1 over a minus 4 plus 5. So we have 2 to be added, but the lowest common denominator between the 2 is a minus 4. So we have a minus 4. A minus 4 divided by a minus 4, that's 1, times a plus 1, the numerator. A minus 4 divided by 1, that is a minus 4 times 5. Bring down the plus. So continue. Let us to simplify distributive property. 1 times a, that's a. 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. Bring down plus. A times 5, that's 5a. The negative 4 times 5, that's negative 20. Okay, so bring down a minus 4. Continue. A and 5a. That is automatic understood. Positive 1. So 5 plus 1, that's 6a. Then negative 1 and negative 20, that is equals to negative 21 over a minus 4. So the answer is 6a minus 21 over a minus 4 in your second method. So if you compare to the first method, the same answer, which is 6a minus 21 over a minus 4. But let us try to check to make it sure that our answer, simplified form, is correct. So the original, let us presume or let a equals 3. So from your original is a squared plus 3a minus 4 over a squared minus 16 plus 5 equals the simplified answer 6a minus 21 over a plus minus 4. Substitute the value, which is 3. So 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 4 over 3 squared minus 16 plus 5 equals to 6 times 3 minus 21 over 3 minus 4. Okay, continue. So your 3 squared, that is 9. 3 times 3, that's 9, minus 4 over 3 squared, 9 minus 16 plus 5 equals 6 times 3, 18, minus 21 over 3 minus 4. Okay, so 9 plus 9 minus 4, that's 14. 9 plus 9, 18 minus 4, 14. 16 minus 9, that's negative 7 plus 5 equals 21 minus 18, that's negative 3. 4 minus 3, that's negative 1. But what is positive 14 divided by negative 7? That's negative 2. Bring down 5 equals negative 3 divided by negative 1. That's positive 3. Therefore, 5 minus 2 is equals to positive 3 is equals to 3. So, Q, ED, or proven. Quod erat demonstrandum. So, the answer of your a squared plus 3a minus 4 over a squared minus 16 plus 5 is equals to x6a minus 21 over a minus 4, which is the simplified form, is correct. So again, as I said, there are many solutions in solving exercises or problem. Now, it is only depend upon your own choice, which among of the solutions or methods that is easier or easiest for you. It is your option to select, but you need to study so that you can compare your answer is correct or not. Do not only believe to the first answer that you have. You have to check You have to compare to the other solutions, and if you have already, you are going to check so that you are sure that your answer is correct. You are not doubt. You can count already how many scores that you have even before the checking, because you are sure already that your answer is correct. So mathematics, as I said, is the easiest subject. It depends upon your own understanding. Just listen to your teacher. If you don't understand, you ask your teacher for more clarification. Your teacher is there to help you. Do not be afraid to ask or to inquire to your subject teacher. When I was in my high school days, way back in 1970s, I'm not bright. I'm just only average student, but I listen to my teacher and I am asking after the presentation if I'm doubt. So the secret is only to study and ask the teacher if you don't know. So by this, as I said, are you with me? Because of my expressions before when I was a teacher in algebra, trigo, geometry, and etc. After my presentation, I would be asking to my students, are you with me? And they were replied, yes, sir. Because if they don't reply, yes, sir, understood that they don't understand. So for you being a beginner, my beginners, for you all viewers, I am requesting you to follow my presentation, and if you learn a little, that little is big enough to help you in the discussion in your mathematics in your classroom. So the more clarifications, the more examples, the more discussion to be given by your subject teacher in your mathematics. And thank you and good day.